Need a new job fast? Here's your ultimate quick manifestation technique for the next 2 days. Day 1. Set your intention. To be clear about the job you want. Affirm, I know exactly the job I desire. Day 1. Visualize success. Picture yourself in the role, confident and happy. Affirm, I see myself thriving in my new job. Day 1. Take inspired action. Update your resume and start applying today. Affirm, I'm ready to attract my dream job. Day 2. Affirm and trust. Repeat positive affirmations. Affirm, I attract opportunities effortlessly. Way. Day 2. Stay open. Stay open. Aim. Stay open to receiving calls or interviews today. Affirm, I trust the process to guide me to my new job. Follow these steps and watch how quickly a new job comes your way.